Dollar Entertainment.
Kajo, 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 kayo, kayo, kajo. Uyo me yo le uo san okan mi o. Uyo me yo, oh uyo me yo le uo san okan mi o. Uyo me yo, uyo me yo, uyo me yo le uo san okan mi o. Everybody's born a winner, yeah, yeah. If only you just believe, yeah, yeah. Close your eyes and come and see, yeah, yeah. Don't you worry about a thing, cause if you work hard, you can get it. If you work, if you strive hard, you can be just what you want. If you work hard, you can climb the mountain top, cause nothing is too small and nothing is too big. Uya meya, oh uya meya le uosa okami o. Uya meya, oh.
Let's let you know that actually you can see General Ode live, Facebook live. Go to Passion 94.5 FM for you and catch General Ode live.
We are looking for, because the truth be said, when you talk about petroleum products, if that guy go up, bam, everything is affected. Even water leaf what they buy for market.
Water leaf they use fuel take water and
now they tell you now.
So now come begin use fuel take water leaf.
And they tell you they go say the transport to trek for their house. Go cut down for bush have go up. Number one, transport of trekking to the farm have go up. Now the rope they used to tie the water.
They should stop tying it, gone.
The people that buy it in Onisha have now increased the price now. 2 meter of rope. It was supposed to be 30 naira. It's now 200 naira. Then you not expect the woman now to come and sell bitter leaf, water leaf for you 100 naira. You will see water leaf 5k. Small water leaf like this.